Hello guys, this is Clay. Today I decided to do an unbox of the Amex Platinum Charge card, the Platinum card, because I tried finding online, I couldn't find much info about this, so finally I got it and I would like to show you guys what is this card about. Yeah, you see it's so thick. Okay, let me start. Okay. Let me open it up. Okay, so welcome. Okay, let me open this. Okay, let me see what's inside. Let me cover some of the things to make sure that y'all don't see things that y'all shouldn't see. Okay, wow. Ta-da! This is the platinum card, the metal card. Yeah. Wow. It's so heavy, so thick. So here is it. Yes, the platinum card. Wow, it's very heavy. Yes. It's metal. Okay. Can. So this is actually different from the Amex credit card, which are over here. So these are the two different credit cards. This is like a lot of people always confuse having the Amex Platinum card and the credit card, and the Amex Platinum card, which is a charge card. So these two are different. The benefits are totally different as well. Yeah. And here is, the reserve card, which is a higher tier than the normal platinum card. Later I'll try to share, some of the benefits which I got over the years as well. Okay, let me see what other welcome offers do they have for this. Okay, I remember people saying that this box is actually a handphone holder as well. Okay, let me try to see whether, oops, I don't have a handphone with me right now. It's trying to video. Okay, let me see what other things are inside as well. Oops, I think I can't open it. It's just like this. Let me see what is inside the welcome. Okay. So inside I think it's all the promotions. Yeah. Let me show you what is it. Okay. So from this box inside, right, they come with this. So with all the vouchers, so they do give me a $400 air credit, give me a lodging credit as well, complimentary spa as well. Wow, many discounts. Yeah, there's another, I think, spa or massage. Wow. Spa again. Then enjoy discount at Tower Club, discount at rooms rates, Swiss Hotel, complimentary upgrade of rooms, and many etc. other dining privileges as well. Of course, I do get a complimentary stay at St. Regis Hotel as well, or W Coast Sentosa. Yeah. Let me see what others promotion are there inside as well. Too much. Yeah. Okay, let me see what did they put inside. Yeah, you can see over here, as I mentioned, this box is actually a handphone holder, so I can actually put my handphone this way. Yeah. Okay, I think they didn't state a lot of the other promotion, everything inside this, but let me show you a brief promotion of and benefits of what are the platinum card. Okay. So earlier I got an invitation from Amex on this card. So inside there's a letter which actually tell you a brief benefits. So all these benefits add up together is about easily worth $5,000. Yeah. On top of this, I believe there are still many more benefits that they did not state over here. So you can see here are some of the benefits. So here you get a bonus point of 75,000 membership point, which you can use for travel miles or many other things. I think this is easily worth 500 to 600 Sing dollars, and it's equivalent for you to change a return ticket as well. But this you have to spend 15,000. But I don't think within these 3 months I'll be having any large purchase to do so. Other than that, I get a complimentary 3-day 2-night to Banyan Tree Mandarin Oriental. If not, I can stay at a 2-day 1-night Capella, Singapore. So I have the travel credit. I do get a priority pass access. This is also to my supplementary card holder as well. So complimentary benefit worth 750 to stay over 1,000 over properties. So exclusive to Tower Club, Marina at Keppel Bay as well. Yeah. So these are some of the things. Yeah. So let me show again. This is the platinum card. It's a metal card. Yeah. I don't know how to, but this is typically the sound of it. Yeah, it's quite heavy. It's quite thick. Let me show compared to a normal card. I don't know whether I can show you the difference or not. Yeah. So here's it. Yeah. Maybe I should share with you. Some benefit of my earlier card, which is the Platinum Reserve card. So actually, Platinum Reserve benefit is that they didn't state in the website. All this is that they gave me a travel magazine subscription. So I end up having a lot of travel magazines sent to me every month. So on top of this, they actually on my birthday, they actually give me a birthday treat as well. To give me a complimentary cake. Yeah, so here's the birthday treat. Let me show you. So actually they give me a complimentary to cat and feeder cake, which is worth I think about $60 over. Yeah, so this is something that's not stated in the website. On top of this, last year they even give me a 40 years anniversary for Zoom VIP tickets, a pair of it. Yeah, so yeah, many more benefits I believe Amex will give to you that is not on the website. So probably for the platinum card, they'll be doing so as well. So I will have to experience it to tell you more about it. So this is it. Yeah, I think for now this much I can tell you. Other than that, I'll need to try to use all these benefits to tell you more on my blog. Okay, so do check out fatclay.com for more benefits on this. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.